Tiny reviewer. Cheese and tomato pizza with mozzarella, provolone, and Emmentaler cheeses. I know provolone. They imported from Italy. I love pizza. I'm not really a fan of cheese pizza. I like pepperoni and combo, especially ones from Costco. Those are great. Nutrition facts and ingredients contains milk, wheat, may contain traces of soy. If you're allergic to any three of them, don't eat it. Heating instructions with the conventional, let's see if I can show it to you guys. Price was $5.99. Now let's open this pizza up. I'm not heating the box. So it looks like this is it. I thought there was kind of the greenish thing that looks like basil to me, but it looks like that's another topping. Well, let's first heat it up because it's in a package. So this is the pizza that's taken out of the oven and put on an oven tray. So you can't see the tray. If you kind of zoom in, this is what it looks like. Can you go zoom in a bit more? Zoom in, Daddy. Daddy's holding the camera. So this is the pizza that is in the oven. I hope it's very delicious. It looks like a cheese to me, but I don't really see the greenish thing anywhere. So this is the pizza that has come out of the oven, and I'm gonna cut a slice, a small slice. It's a rectangular one, and taste it. It's a bit hot. So let me cool it down for a bit. Okay, so it's a rectangular pizza. So you cut it into a mini pizza shape. Like the pizza itself was shrunk down into this size, although it has a crust. So I let it cool down for about a minute or so, about 3 minutes. Let's see. It looks like a yummy pizza to me. Wow. I mean, how can this pizza be so delicious, even without any toppings besides cheese and tomato sauce? My goodness, it's like the best. Very thin, too. Very, very thin. I'm having a hard time because it's drooping and the cheese is falling off. But oh well, I'm a 9-year-old. But for little kids, cutting it up will be easier. Best pizza ever. As you eat more, the pizza kind of gets stiffer because there's not a lot of weight at the bottom to kind of droop it down. This is super yummy. I mean, I want you guys to eat it. No, you need to eat it. Subscribe and press the like button. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.